Gawa. Here we are on the Anahuac missile range. I just realized I never sent you any videos of that Silence 22. I'm going to take the silencer off, give you an idea what it sounds like. I'm going to shoot some in the mud first. Okay. Pretty loud. Try one of these little chingaletas. Big difference. In the dirt. Okay, let's misfire. It was a lot of fun. Giggles and grins. See if any of that made it through. I don't think it made it through. So it is muddy. Yeah, all that just, it ain't going through. That one tried, it tried there. I think we'll find something that'll go through now. We'll get us a real gun. There's a real gun. Gotta put in my earplugs. Here, we'll try some of these, Chris. That's a good gun. Let's see if that went through. You can run, but you can't hide. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dang. Well, let me stop this and I'll upload it for you. See, senor, you done it.